Hello folks, Iggy is here. Last year, Samsung brought a lot of improvements with its foldable phone. The Galaxy Flip 3 and the Galaxy Fold 3 were the world's first foldable phones with an IPX8 rating for water resistance. The Galaxy Fold 3 brought support for an S Pen, and with the Galaxy Fold 4, people had hoped that the company would bring a built-in S Pen. But today, sorry, I'm here to bring you bad news. Famous tipster Ice has claimed on Twitter that the Galaxy Fold 4 won't bring a built-in S Pen. It means that the phone might support an S Pen, but it doesn't have a dedicated slot like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Actually, we can be pretty sure that the Galaxy Fold 4's foldable screen will support the S Pen much like the Galaxy Fold 3 does. According to a new rumor, the Galaxy Fold 4 S Pen has entered production in several Eurasian countries. This new report may also hold a clue to Samsung's progress on ultra-thin glass technology. Last month, word on the street was that Samsung is developing Super UTG for the Galaxy Fold 4 to provide better protection and a stronger surface for the S Pen. So, with the Galaxy Fold 4 S Pen now reportedly in mass production, Samsung might have also completed the UTG puzzle for this year's model already. I'll keep you posted as soon as more details emerge. Now, back to Ice. He also claimed that the device will be thinner and more compact compared to the Galaxy Fold 3 and other previous generation Fold series phones. That should improve the usability and ergonomics of the phone. Hopefully, Samsung hasn't sacrificed battery capacity to bring down its dimensions and weight. Actually, we can have a look at one of those Galaxy Fold 4 batteries thanks to a Safety Korea certification. Unfortunately, it seems Samsung is getting better at shielding important information from the public eye, as we can't see the wattage or capacity of the battery in its photo. Or, well, it's too early and we will see those crucial details in the coming weeks. According to tipster Do-Hyun Kim, the Galaxy Fold 4 will bring a completely new primary camera sensor. The upcoming foldable phone, which will launch in the second half of this year, is rumored to feature a 108 megapixels primary camera. It could be the same camera sensor used in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if this information is correct, the Galaxy Fold 4 could offer a meaningful improvement in image quality. Another tipster claimed that the Galaxy Fold 4's rear-facing camera setup would feature the same 108 megapixels primary and 12 megapixels ultra-wide cameras as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The foldable phone will reportedly miss out on the periscope camera though, so it may use the vanilla Galaxy S22's 10 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Apart from upgraded cameras, the Galaxy Fold 4 is also expected to feature the yet unannounced Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset built on TSMC's 4nm process. So again, the Galaxy Fold 4 is rumored to be slightly smaller than the Galaxy Fold 3, and combined with the camera hardware upgrades that are expected, there may not be any space in there for a battery upgrade. In fact, it's possible we might even see the capacity getting even smaller, similar to how the two known Ultra Galaxy S22 models come with smaller batteries compared to their predecessors. Nevertheless, Samsung's production targets for the Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy Fold 4 are more than double last year's foldable phones. It could mean that the company plans to sell at least 2x more Galaxy Z series smartphones in 2022. According to Ross Young, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, Samsung could launch the Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy Fold 4 at a lower price compared to previous devices. And yes, this is possible since more smartphone brands have launched foldable phones now. Companies like Oppo, OnePlus, Vivo and Xiaomi are expected to launch their foldable phones outside China this year. All that said, what are your expectations from the Galaxy Fold 4? Let us know in the comment section below. I personally think that it would be great if Samsung could reduce the size and depth of the foldable screen's crease. Oh yeah, it would be a huge breakthrough. Guys, if you liked the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe for new videos and see you soon. Good luck.